Welcome
Alright,
back
so the
to
third
BDO
trade,
Trades. This
I
is the
forgot to
series
hit
where I stick to my
record right
trading
before I
plan for
traded
30
this.
days straight.
This was an
Yesterday,
impulse
I did
sell.
not stick to my trading plan.
Price
That's why
had
we are
been moving up,
negative. But
and
today I
it
did.
wasn't able to
We are
break
positive.
above this
So that's a good start. I'm getting the hang of this.
long
I
high here.
recorded the
So
trades
I
today.
figured price was
I
going to
missed
go
one,
down for
but
sells.
I'll explain it
I waited
later.
until price
So I'll show you the
moved at
trades,
least
but
to
overall,
halfway of
we are
this
still
point
negative
and went in for
with a
sells.
positive win ratio.
I didn't want to
negative
risk too much on this
win-loss
trade,
average,
especially because
and
I had
negative
just made up
profit
how much
factor.
I
So
lost
yeah,
and more.
let's get into it.
So as soon as I put in
The
the
first trade is
price started to
a
go
short.
down.
I did not
So
think the price would move
that
above
was a
that
bad
key
trade.
level
I
there.
lost the trade.
I thought it was going to bounce down
It was a
and
losing trade
go back down.
because
This was
I
not
end up
part of the
negative
plan
again, and you can
or
see
the
it here.
strategy that
I
I'm
lost
trading. The strategy
Yeah.
is to wait until a candle closes above the range, but I didn't wait. I anticipated price to go down, and that was my first mistake, is wanting price to do something instead of actually trading what price is doing. So lessons learned: wait, be patient, and don't assume or don't project what you think might happen to the market. Anything might happen. Our job is just to trade what exactly is happening. So that's the trade. Alright, so the next trade is an example of what happens when you follow your plan. This was a successful trade. I waited until price closed above that key level, that range, and so I went in longs because that was what price wanted to do. This is a longer trade. I'm proud of myself for sticking it through. I wish I didn't move my stop loss as much, but you know, we live and we learn. I was too involved in this trade, moving my stop loss and my take profit. I should have had a I need to work on that myself, but yeah, overall good trade. We made back how much we lost and more. So yeah, textbook. Proud of this trade. Followed the plan, and yeah.
Alright, so the third trade, I forgot to hit record right before I traded this. This was an impulse sell. Price had been moving up, and it wasn't able to break above this uh, long high here. So I figured price was going to go down for sells. I waited until price moved at least to halfway of this point and went in for sells. I didn't want to risk too much on this trade, especially because I had just made up how much I lost and more. So as soon as I put in the trade, price started to go down. So that was a bad trade. I lost the trade, and you'll see in the next clip that it was a losing trade because I end up negative again, and you can see it here. I lost $27. Yeah.
Okay, final trade. So this trade was a long, a rejection of this sell effort. I saw that price was not able to break past below that previous candle, and it started to go up. So I tried my lots for a long. I've seen this trade before. I know this is a high probability trade, especially because the bias is long, and so I took it. And at that point, I moved to break even and secure two contracts. So you'll see the next contract I secured pretty soon, and then I let the remaining contract run. So I thought this was a good trade, and obviously we ended off positive. We can continue to repeat this trade, and I just need to make sure I'm learning how to manage my risk, learning how to lose less than I intend on losing, learning how to maximize my profit. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna do some back testing, make sure I refine my entries and exits, and refine how I set my stop losses and my profit targets. So that's the plan, and that's the trading day today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.